Hello my dear techies and welcome back to another brand new Excel video. Till now we have learned Excel basics, formula and lookup function. But today we are going to make Excel visual and powerful. In real world data analysis, you don't just calculate data, you spot insights quickly. And that's where conditional formatting comes in. So let's dive in. So what is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting means applying formatting automatically based on some conditions. Okay. So instead of manually checking, Excel does it for you. For example, if we want to highlight cells where salary is greater than 50,000, we do not have to do it manually, right? We can just select the column, that is this one, and then we'll select conditional formatting, highlight cells rule, and then click on greater than, and here we will put the value. So you see the cells has been highlighted with the values which is greater than 50,000. For this is extremely useful when working with large dataset. So now let's suppose I want to find duplicate values. I am duplicating or copying this row and pasting it here. So we have two employee ID with the similar name. So if I hit the rule, in that case these two cells should highlight. Okay. So I will select the cells, go to conditional formatting and will hit duplicate values. In that case we will see that these two are been duplicating. So we will be able to remove one of them from our dataset. So in this way we can clear our dataset. So what is the business use case? It is used to find out the duplicate employee record or duplicate transaction. Okay. Now we will see the data bars, that is visual insight. We will go to salary cells, go to conditional formatting, and here we have the data bars. Okay. So instead of number, I can visually compare the values. So I will select any of the data bars and you will be able to see it is giving us the bars according to the values. See, 61,000 is the highest in this cell, so that's why it is the bar has been filled the whole cell. If I even move it a little bit, you will be able to see it more clearly that this cell has been filled by this bar, but according to the values as decreased as per the 61,000, let us find out the second highest, that is 58,000. so you will be able to see there is a little gap, and for 52 there is more gap. Accordingly it has been depicted. What is the business use case here? It is used to compare sales and performance tracking. Now we will see the color scale. We will select the performance, go to conditional formatting, then color scale, and then I will select this one. This one will highlight that 91 and 88 in green. That means they are doing great. 55, 60, 65 they are in orange or yellowish type, right? So they are in warning zone, and 45, 48 in red. That means they are doing nothing or their performance is very bad. So that's why it's in red. So high values gets darker color and low values gets lighter color, making pattern easily to spot. There is another option we can do that also, that if I go to color schema and select this one, it will select the, it will give the cells or color the cells in opacity of the green color only. No other color will be used. What is the business use case? It is used to trend analysis and risk identification. So now we will see the custom rule, which is very important for interview. So if I want to find out the employees whose performance is less than 50, in that case what I have to do, I will select the cells, then go to conditional formatting, then go to new rules. Okay, and I will select this one, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and here I will write the formula. I will select this cell. Okay, and give the less than sign and the value, that is 50. But here is an issue, that is this E2 is an absolute value, but we need to find out or determine the value for all these values, right? So for that we will remove this middle dollar value, hit backspace, and before hitting enter I will format, and I will want to fill the data who are less than 50 with this background, okay, and hit OK and again OK. So we will be able to see that Neha Gupta and Anjali Singh, these two persons performance is very low and this is less than 50. So that was all about custom rule, okay. This is where real power comes in. You can define your own logic. What is the business use case here? It is used to flag low performers and highlight risk cases. This is now again we will clear and manage the rules. This is very important for us. We will clear the rules from here with the clear rules from selected cells. In real project, always manage rules properly, otherwise it becomes messy. So I will select this one and it will remove all the rules from the dataset. In conditional formatting helps you see patterns in seconds, which might take minutes manually. So now you know how to turn a raw data into visual insight using conditional formatting. In the next video, we will cover sorting and filtering, which is used daily in every data analyst job. Subscribe to Bit by Bit. So now